now about our 5th day with our new Z, and we are wasting no time. Today we are focusing on getting a little more sound out of this motor and trying to pick up a few more horsepower along the way. Today we have a set of downpipes from AMS Performance. Big shout out and thank you to them. These beauties are going to help us achieve everything we're trying to do today. So this is going to be the first day that Calvin and I are jumping onto the VR30 and working on a motor that we have never worked on before. Now, for those who don't know, this motor is actually equipped in the Infiniti Q50. So there is a lot of similarities with this car and the Q50. I think the Q50s, don't quote me, but they're rated around like 370, 380. This from factory is rated about 400, so it has a tune that allows you to get a little more power. And I've already looked at some videos to try to reference what we're doing because we're kind of working blind here. But Calvin already started this morning and he started removing some of the downpipes originally and dropping the exhaust, and we're working on getting the pesky last couple bolts before we drop this downpipe. Cal, can you see anything down there?
It's very difficult. It's very tight. I think we've done this before on the 370,
which is a VQ motor. This is the VR. Very similar, I guess, as far as layout, except this has turbos, but a lot easier on the 370. I feel.
I will say it's not the hardest car we've done.
Okay.
It's quite simple. You just gotta be patient and stick your pipe where it needs to go. You know what I'm saying? I already took off one of the 2 bolts on this side. TJ's taking care of the other. There's a total of 3 nuts holding on this downpipe and then 2 holding that downpipe, which I don't know why that's
They're not mirrored images. I think I got it. Yeah, it's super blind. We're going, you heard it? Okay, you wanna go back up and we can show them what it looks like? We also have a set of intercoolers from AMS that we are gonna try to get to today. And we found that the intercoolers, at first we were like, dude, where are the intercoolers? I don't know where they are. And we found them.
One right there.
One right here. One right here. And it looks like it would just be taking the strut bar off and then taking the valve cover off and getting to it. So we're gonna try to breeze through this so we can get to the intercooler stage so we can do 2 mods in one video. But we'll see. Stay tuned for that.
Yeah, I got a little juice on my lip, dude.
It's nice that it's brand new. Nothing's rusted. Everything comes out easy. Nothing seized.
Oh,
and there goes one. So we actually have to dig a little bit deeper. So this is the downpipe. But the piece that we were replacing, ours goes deeper. So we're gonna have to go to the back of the turbo. Oh, you know what? No, that's just a secondary cat. It's 2 cats. That's the secondary. That's the primary. So.
Oh my goodness.
Now, oh, I'm getting that juice on me. So now we have to take the heat shields off and go even farther.
Yep.
All right, you guys, Calvin and I have been working on this for the last 45 minutes, and this is very tight. I've looked up a couple of videos on a Q50 removal on these upper downpipes, and we've concluded that on a Q50, there's actually a lot more room, and on the 400Z, it's a lot tighter. We have everything disconnected, and we got the V-band disconnected, but the V-band is so seized on the actual like backside of the turbo itself that we're having trouble getting that off. So I'm stuck right there. If that V-band was off, this whole thing would fall out, and we'd be able to put the new one on. Calvin, on the other hand, is still trying to remove the heat shields just to get access so we can even have a shot at looking at the V-band, but this is actually the harder side, and this is the easy side. I just reached out to one of my friends, Tyler, who is a master mechanic for Infiniti, and he was saying, yeah, it's very difficult, it's very tight. If we actually need to, if we can't do it, he's like, I'll come over and make a little house call and help you guys do it, because even him being a master mechanic, he said it is difficult, and he would give us a helping hand. So we're gonna keep on trying here, and if we can't end up getting it, we might just end up waiting for him to come give us a hand, which will work out okay because we actually have a set of intercoolers as well from AMS that are on top and should be a lot easier to access. Just when the depths were low, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it. I was doing some off-camera frustration struggle, and I finally got it loose. So the V-band is, you can kind of see it's starting to, oh, look at that. You guys can't see anything, I'm so sorry. But I fucking got it, let's go! The doctor is in. I have a patient who needs my assistance. So I'm gonna, I mean, it's loose, but it's still not out yet, but that's huge progress. So I'm happy with myself on that. I'm gonna keep going, and if I get it out, trust me, I'll tell you.
Okay. This is why we're a team. That's why we tag team. TJ, come in, put him between the legs, and I'll come and sit him on his face.
Whoa.
Wait, what? Hold on.
Whoa. One of the most important things in life is getting a good night rest. Sleep is important, and today's video is sponsored by Helix Sleep, which is designed to help you sleep better. I switched to Helix Sleep mattresses over a year ago, and it's been perfect, mainly because I was able to take a quiz online that was able to determine what type of mattress was best suited for my needs. Helix knows that everyone likes a different type of mattress. Everyone has certain specifications that best suit them. Their quiz will help you narrow down what exactly you are looking for. And I was able to figure out through their quiz that I like a medium mattress and I'm a back sleeper, which is why I got paired with the Midnight Luxe mattress that we have right here behind me. It's no secret that I have a very busy lifestyle, and Helix Sleep will ship your mattress to your front door so you don't need to go out and test ride anything and figure it out. They will ship it to you in a vacuum sealed bag, so you pull it in your room, unfold it, and over a certain amount of time, it inflates into the bed, and then you can just chuck it on. Shipping is free, and they also allow you to try the mattress out for 100 nights of sleep to decide if you really like it. And if you don't, they'll pick it up and send back to you, no cost added. They have financing options and flexible payments with a 10-year warranty, so anything is possible here. Stop sleeping on a rock and go to helixsleep.com/TJ Hunt and receive up to $200 off plus 2 free pillows. That's helixsleep.com/TJ Hunt. Do yourself a favor or just click the links down below in the description and get a good night rest. Thank you to Helix for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back to it.
Oh, close. Just the top. It's like the top of the trans is what's.
That was not worth it. My wrist hurts now.
It's the heat shields.
You are not squeezing that. If you squeeze that, you're a man. No way, dude. No way, dude. Don't let it hit your lip. Come on, teach. Come on, teach. Oh, whoa!
Number 1, baby. They call me number 1! That sucked.
Okay, we got one more side, so let's not celebrate too much, but we got it out.
Wow, that sucked. Kyle, do you want to remove that heat shield though? I mean, think about how much easier it'd be if that heat shield wasn't there.
Seems pretty easy to me already, bro. I don't think you guys understand how difficult this is. We got it out. We got it out?
But it was tough.
No, we put the other one in. I want to explain that.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna let that glaze right by.
Sorry, left side's in. We're working on the right one. Me and my boy, we got it. We're doctors. We're gonna put the other side in. This was a nightmare. Never do this to your car.
What I do recommend is the half pipe. Half pipe, great. We got that. We did that in 10 minutes.
What he's saying is the downpipes are in 2 pieces, upper and lowers. For those that are part of the BR30 family, you know what I'm talking about. The lower section, easy. This upper section, tough, not fun. Pulling out.
I'm elbow deep in Sean's mom. That's what this reminds me of. I'm shoulder deep in this car. That's what I said. This is good times right here, you'll say.
Oh my God. Let me know when you're ready.
Oh, don't, up a little bit. Right there. Don't move. You're asking for a miracle, but TJ is T-Juice Christ. So miracles come out of him like soft serve out of an ice cream machine. It's a miracle! Merry Chrysler, Merry T-Juice.
Well, we have the new downpipes on with the little cats in there. That was a nightmare, but man, I am excited to start this and see how it sounds. So before we start this is what the car sounded like before this exhaust setup. And now let's hear it with the new setup. Go for it, pal.
Sounds great.
You think it sounds good from over
Yeah.
here? Curious to see how obnoxious it is. We're gonna have to go on the street and drive it. All right, let's go for a little drive test, boys. feels pretty good.
That didn't feel slow.
No, I felt good. That felt really good.
Really good.
We're not even tuned yet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do it again. Wow.
Okay.
Damn.
Okay. I think it's like lacking that tone that I think we're all used to when you think of like VQ or VR38, but it definitely sounds better than the last setup. My butt dyno is off the charts right now. I need to recalibrate because it feels phenomenal. And we haven't even tuned it yet. Finally heard a little bit of that like turbo spool that like we're all kind of itching for on this setup. So for that reason, I think it's fantastic. Like I said, I'm just itching to tune this thing.
We're going to a drift comp this weekend, which means we need this truck, which means I need to take it home, fill it up with diesel, and get it prepped before we start towing with it. So Calvin drove home the Z tonight. I'm curious to see his opinion. I'm curious to see if the butt dyno that I thought was more power, I'm curious to see if he feels the same way. So you guys already know, but I haven't talked to him yet, but you guys just saw his reaction. I'm going to dinner over at Sprinta's parents' house tonight, and I'll probably eat there, and we're gonna head home and continue the night. So I'll see you guys once I'm heading home from dinner. Dinner was super good. I had some tacos and I had some milk. So shout out to the OGs if you know what I'm talking about. And you're probably like, Teej, you're in your truck. Your tires are so loud right now. Please change out those tires. Whenever I'm driving this truck, you guys love to comment down below how noisy the tires are. I know how noisy they are because I have to drive it all the time. And all I will say is I will not be doing this tire setup on the next set of tires. They were very cool and they've worked well for me, but they are loud. I am going to be switching, so if you're a truck bro and you know what good tires for trucks are, that look cool, that have like the off-road pattern. I'm not a truck guy. I don't really know the correct language, but leave some comments down below. I'm due for a set of tires. They're balding in the back and I don't want to rotate them. I'd rather just swap them out because it is so loud. So truck bros, I'm calling your guys' names. Help me pick a set of tires for this truck. It's super pretty out right now too. The sun's just going down and these skies actually remind me a lot of Florida, which then got me thinking about the hurricane going on over there. So I just want to say if there are any of you guys out there that live in Florida, hope you guys are staying safe. Hope all of you guys' homes are okay. I was talking with Adam the other day about it, and it sounds like it's getting pretty crazy over there. So shout out and love to all my boys in Florida. It's a Hawaiian fiesta. That doesn't make sense, does it? I don't know how to say party in Hawaiian. Danny just got over. We're going for a dip in the tub, and I'm gonna chill for a little bit.
Danny just got over.
Yo, dude, don't sound so excited,
Yeah,
man.
don't sound so excited to hang out.
Hey, I'm going into my relaxation mode, baby.
1 to 5, I won't jump in this pool right now.
3, 2, 1, 4.
3.
Oh, I almost said 3. Woo, you have not seen the vlog in just, oh, you, hi, Bubba. What up, Kona? Oh, I don't know why the camera's on focus. Guys, I have bad news. Hilo is about to go to training camp, and he's gonna be gone for 2 months. Can you believe that? I'm actually gonna miss this guy so much. You guys, oh, stop eating that. See, that's why you're going to camp. These guys, Hilo's gonna be leaving soon. I thought I'd give you guys a little update because you guys haven't seen the boys in a while, and I see comments from you guys saying you miss them sometimes in the vlog. Speaking of vlog, obviously in the last 5-7 days, I've uploaded a lot of videos, and that's because there is so much that's about to happen in the month of October with prepping 2 cars to go to SEMA. And I haven't told you guys, but I'm gonna be going to Japan this month, and I'm gonna be revealing a few of my cars in Japan later this month that we haven't seen in years, and I see comments all the time about them. You guys should know what one of them is, but we're gonna be going there very soon. But the reason why I've been uploading so much is because I have so much stuff to put out and I don't really feel like waiting and stretching the videos out. So like there's gonna be a sporadic days where you'll get videos like this 3-4 days in a row, and then I might not upload for a day or two, and then you're gonna get like a few more. So I'm gonna be uploading a lot. So to stay up to date, turn on your post notifications, hit that subscribe button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. I decided that I'm gonna go shave a mustache right now. So in the next video, I'm gonna have a mustache. I'll see you guys when I have a mustache. Peace out and keep moving forward.
Yeah, Patrick, that's right.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Go SpongeBob.
Go SpongeBob.
Uh-huh.
Go SpongeBob.
Go Patrick.
Go
Uh-huh.
SpongeBob. Uh-huh.
Do you see my butt? Did you want to see it?
I'm practicing my monkey. My inner monkey.
I think he's on some T fuel today, dude.